Carbo, carbo, carbo.
What if I told you that one of the most expensive parts of your hybrid car could actually last 10 to 15 years or even longer if you use it the right way? And at the same time, the wrong habits could slowly reduce its lifespan without you even noticing. Your hybrid battery is the heart of your car's efficiency. It is what allows you to save fuel, drive in electric mode, and experience the smooth performance that makes hybrids so popular in 2026. But here's the truth. Most drivers never learn how to take care of it properly. They drive normally, charge randomly, ignore small warning signs, and assume the system will manage itself. Modern hybrids are smart, yes, but they still depend on how you use them. In this video, we're going to break down the top tips to make your hybrid car battery last as long as possible, based on how modern hybrid systems actually work today. These are practical, real-world tips that can help you extend battery life, maintain performance, and avoid costly replacements in the future. And if you apply even a few of these, you will not only protect your battery, but also improve your car's overall efficiency. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy car content, real-world driving tips, and practical advice that actually saves you money. Now let's get into it. Let's start with something most people completely underestimate: temperature control. Hybrid batteries are extremely sensitive to temperature. Excessive heat is one of the biggest factors that reduces battery lifespan over time. When a battery operates in high temperatures repeatedly, its internal components degrade faster. This is especially important in hot climates. Parking your car under direct sunlight every day may not seem like a big deal, but over months and years, it can slowly impact battery health. The simple solution is awareness. Whenever possible, park in shaded areas or inside a garage. If your car has remote climate control or pre-cooling features, use them before driving. Some hybrids also have battery cooling systems that rely on airflow. Make sure air vents are not blocked, especially if your battery is located under the rear seats or trunk area. Keeping your battery cool is one of the easiest ways to extend its life. Next is something many drivers misunderstand: battery charge levels. Unlike older batteries, modern hybrid batteries are designed to operate within a specific charge range. They rarely go fully empty or fully full, but your driving habits still matter. Constantly pushing the battery to extremes, either by aggressive driving or by not using the electric system efficiently, can increase wear over time. The key is balance. Smooth driving helps maintain stable battery usage. Avoid constantly forcing the car into heavy electric usage followed by aggressive engine usage. Let the system operate naturally. If you own a plug-in hybrid, try not to leave the battery at zero charge for long periods. At the same time, avoid keeping it fully charged for days without use. Keeping the battery in a moderate range is healthier in the long run. Now let's talk about charging habits, which are critical for PHEV owners. Charging is one of the biggest advantages of a plug-in hybrid, but how you charge matters. Frequent slow charging is better than constant fast charging. Fast charging generates more heat, and over time, that heat can affect battery health. Using a home charger overnight is one of the best practices. It is slower, more stable, and better for long-term battery condition. Another important habit is consistency. Instead of letting the battery fully drain and then charging it, try to maintain a regular charging routine. Think of it like your phone. Small, regular charges are better than extreme cycles. Also, if your car allows it, use scheduled charging to avoid unnecessary strain and to take advantage of off-peak electricity hours. Another key factor is driving style. Yes, your driving habits directly affect battery life. Aggressive acceleration, sudden braking, and constant high-speed driving put more stress on both the battery and the hybrid system. Smooth driving is not just about fuel efficiency. It is about reducing strain on the entire system. Gradual acceleration, controlled braking, and maintaining steady speeds help keep the battery operating efficiently. Hybrid systems are designed to reward smooth driving. The more controlled your inputs are, the less stress your battery experiences. Over time, this can significantly impact how long your battery lasts. Let's move on to something many people ignore: regular system usage. Hybrid batteries actually perform better when they are used regularly. Leaving your car unused for long periods can affect battery condition. If a hybrid sits for weeks or months without being driven, the battery may slowly discharge and lose efficiency. If you are not using your car daily, try to drive it at least once every few days. Even a short drive helps keep the battery active and balanced. For plug-in hybrids, occasional use of both electric and petrol modes is also beneficial. This keeps the entire system functioning properly. Now here is something important that many drivers overlook: software and system updates. Modern hybrid cars rely heavily on software to manage battery performance. Manufacturers regularly release updates that improve efficiency, optimize battery usage, and fix potential issues. If your car supports updates, make sure you keep the system up to date. These updates are not just about features. They can directly affect how your battery performs and how efficiently it is managed. Another factor that plays a big role is weight and load. Software and system updates. Modern hybrid cars rely heavily on software to manage battery performance. Manufacturers regularly release updates that improve efficiency, optimize battery usage, and fix potential issues. If your car supports updates, make sure you keep the system up to date. These updates are not just about features. They can directly affect how your battery performs and how efficiently it is managed. Another factor that plays a big role is weight and load. Carrying excessive weight puts more strain on your vehicle, including the hybrid system. The heavier the car, the more energy is required to move it. This means the battery has to work harder, especially during acceleration. Try to avoid carrying unnecessary items in your car. Reducing weight improves both fuel efficiency and battery performance. It may seem like a small detail, but over time, it makes a difference. Let's also talk about maintenance. Even though hybrid batteries are low maintenance, the overall vehicle still needs proper care. Keeping your cooling system, air filters, and electrical systems in good condition helps support battery health. For example, if your battery cooling fan is clogged with dust, it may not function properly, leading to higher battery temperatures. Simple maintenance checks can prevent these issues. Regular servicing ensures that everything connected to the hybrid system is working correctly. Another important tip is understanding warning signs. Modern hybrids are designed to alert you if something is wrong. If you notice reduced electric range, lower fuel efficiency, or unusual behavior in how the battery charges and discharges, do not ignore it. These could be early signs of battery wear or system issues. Addressing small problems early can prevent bigger, more expensive issues later. Here is something that many people will find surprising. Hybrid batteries are designed to last a long time. In many cases, they last well over 150,000 to 200,000 miles when used. Manufacturers have improved battery technology significantly over the years. Modern batteries are more durable, more efficient, and better managed by advanced systems. But again, the lifespan depends on how the car is used. Good habits extend life. Bad habits shorten it. Let's bring everything together. Your hybrid battery is not fragile, but it is sensitive. It rewards smart usage and punishes neglect over time. If you focus on temperature control, smooth driving, proper charging habits, regular usage, and basic maintenance, you can significantly extend its lifespan. You save money, you maintain performance, and you avoid one of the most expensive repairs a hybrid car can have. In 2026, hybrid technology is more advanced than ever, but even the smartest systems still rely on the driver. Because at the end of the day, the way you use your car determines how well it performs over time. Now I want to ask you something. How long do you expect your hybrid battery to last? And which of these tips are you going to start using from today? Let me know in the comments.